The first step is to open Uber Eats and click Login. Select your login method of choice. For this tutorial, I used Google. Once logged in, browse the categories that appear, or do a search. I searched for something that sounded good. To search, click the search bar. Enter your search term. Browse the restaurant items and make a selection. If prompted, make the required selections as prompted. Scroll down and click Add to Order. At this point, the item has been added to your cart. If you'd like to add more to your order, you can do so now. Otherwise, click Go to Checkout to complete your order. Modify your delivery details, delivery estimate, payment, and tip as desired. For a tip, we always suggest at least 20%. Make sure to leave clear delivery instructions for your driver. I'll change my delivery option. I'll select Leave at Door. I'll enter my business name. Now I'll add delivery instructions. Once complete, click Save. If everything looks correct, press the Place Order button. Your order will go through and the restaurant will begin making your food. Scroll down and that's it. You're done.